Today, I'm walking you through Mailchimp in 2025, perfect if you're just getting started with email marketing. We'll cover the basics, explore the dashboard, and I'll give you my honest take. Let's jump in. Once you log into Mailchimp, you'll land on the dashboard. Super clean and beginner friendly. From here, you can quickly access your campaigns, your emails, automations, audience, your subscriber list, and analytics. Click Create Campaign, then tap Email. You'll choose between regular, plain text, or automated. For beginners, start with regular, but for now, let's do automated. Then pick a template or start from scratch. Drag and drop blocks make it super simple. Add your logo, text, and images. Hit preview to see how it looks on desktop and mobile. And then when you're ready, click schedule or send now. Go to the audience tab to import or add subscribers. Mailchimp lets you tag, group, and segment your audience for better targeting even on the free plan. You can also create a sign-up form to grow your list that's customizable and embeddable on your website or link in bio. Mailchimp offers a free plan for up to 500 contacts, but features like A/B testing and advanced automations are only in paid plans. If you're a total beginner, the free tier is great to start, but you might need to upgrade as you grow. And that's your beginner-friendly walkthrough of Mailchimp in 2025.